Hello viewers, welcome to Manjunath Trading Channel. Indian equity market had a stellar performance in 2021 with Nifty around 22%. Nifty mid cap sharply performed with the gains of around 43%. In the same manner, Nifty small cap performed with the gains of around 53%. Now, Indian equity markets are likely to extend their gains in 2022 as well as on account of continuous economic recovery and strong growth of earnings. By seeing the history of last 3 decades, the ongoing bull market may extend for the next few years also with fully multi gains. Now, our topic is top 10 best stocks to buy in 2022. Let's discuss in detail. Before we going to the video, I just wanted to remind you, please click on the subscribe button below and tap the bell icon. Now, the first stock is Bharti Airtel. Today, its share value is around 700 rupees. By continuous growth in 4G sector, Bharti Airtel reported strong and healthy set of financial performance during the financial year 2021 and 2022. And again, Airtel Business offers digital solutions to the enterprises. It could be next growth engine for the company. And the most important thing is, investment in Airtel will be a long-term plan. By seeing all these factors, Choice Brokerage System assigned a buy rating on the stocks with a target price of 956. The difference is 256 rupees. So, by seeing all these factors, it's very good to invest in Bharti Airtel for the investors, those who are seeking long-term investment. The next one is Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited. Today, its share value is 285 rupees. Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited has strengthened its balance sheet throughout the 2021 year. At the starting, its net debt was around 2,500 crores. With the year end, the net debt of Aditya Birla Fashion Retail Limited is around 870 crores. Its net debt declined sharply from 2,500 crores to 870 crores. It shows the stock has also witnessed a faster retracement of 52 months to 18 months. It signals that Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail Limited has a strong and healthy price structure. And also, Choice Brokerage System has set a target price of around 360 rupees in this year. So, this all shows that the stock is looking good for the investors in 2022. And again, the next stock is ICICI Bank. Today, its share value is around 790 rupees. ICICI Bank reported strong performance in second quarter of the financial year 2021 and 2022 with profit after tax growth of 30%, driven by healthy loan growth of 17% and margin expansion, lower non-assets provisioning. Net interest income grew by 25% as net interest margin improved by 11 basis points. By seeing all these factors, Choice Brokerage assigned buy rating to stock with target price of 900 rupees. It's more than 100 rupees. So, check once on this stock also, investors. And the next topic is United Spirits. Today, its share value is around 900 rupees. This is one liquor-based stock. This liquor stocks posted a strong recovery in 2021, leading their way to new highs. It scripts around long-term charts. United Spirits prices has resolved out of its 6-year consolidation phase. The stock price is likely to head over 1000 rupees in coming days. So, have a look on this stock also, friends. The next topic is Skyfair India Limited. Today, its share value is around 9,250. Today its share value is around 9,458. The stock reported 20.7% growth in 2021. the total operating income to 1480 crores. Going ahead, company would benefit from revival in the automotive sector and from higher exports to its parent company to other company markets also. And also the government policies for a boosting will act as tailwind for the sector. The target price will be at 10,400 rupees according to the choice broking. The next topic is HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited. Today its share value is around 650 rupees. This company reported encouraging numbers in 2021 with a new business premium coming in 6,596 crores, up 12.3% year over year. Total premium collection was 14.2%. The company is likely to improve its performance in the coming years also. By seeing all these factors, Choice Brokerage values HDFC Life Insurance is 833 rupees in the 2022. So guys, have a look on this stock also on time. Next topic is ABB, Asia Brown Breweries Limited. Today its share value is around 2,200 rupees. BSE Capital Good Index is coming out of 13 years liberation exhibiting strength. Within the capital goods space, ABB looks positive as it has already logged a breakout in the coming decade and continues to trend higher while maintaining high. The stock has witnessed faster retracement of falling segment and 9-quarter decline was completely retraced in just 4 quarters. Asia Brown Brewery stock may head higher towards 2,750 in the coming days by Choice Brokerage value. This stock is good for the investors who are willing to invest in long-term investment this year. The next topic is Hindustan Unilever Limited. Today its share value is around 2,400 rupees. On the back of 4% year over year volume, the growth and pricing growth will be 7%. The company reported 11.4% growth in the 2021. The overall sentiment is continuously optimistic regarding the overall demand recovery. Despite HUL's share price correcting around 16.2% in the last 3 months. For this company, Choice Broking assigned a buy rate of around 2,821 rupees in the 2022. The potential value is 22.6%. So have a look on this stock also, friends. The next topic is HCL Technologies. Today the share value of HCL Technologies is 1,300 rupees. IT sector has been spearheading the ongoing bull run and HCL Technologies has been a steady secular stock in the multi-year breakout in 2020. The company is well positioned to deliver strong growth in coming years. And the nature of growth across services, improving clients and strengthening the management capabilities in Australia, Canada, France, Germany, etc. The Choice Broking Direct remains positive on the stock and has set a target price of 1,500 rupees in the coming year. So have a look on this stock also, friends. The last one is Infosys. Today the Infosys share value is around 1,850 rupees. In 2021, the company reported a 6.1% sequential growth. By consolidating total revenue, digital revenues increased by 42.4% year over year. Consisting the strong and healthy outlook and company's growth leadership in the sector, Choice Brokerage firm has arrived and at a target price of 2,150 rupees per share. So friends, this is purely my research guys, but the stocks won't let you get losses. So you can have a look on all the stocks and invest in all the stocks. If you like my explanation, like this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon. Thank you guys.